Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025 to 2024 Lucid Air. The 2024 Lucid Air has been crowned the Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025, a title that reflects its groundbreaking blend of opulence, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. As electric vehicles, EVs, continue to reshape the automotive landscape, the Lucid Air stands out as a beacon of innovation, delivering a driving experience that is both futuristic and luxurious. Unmatched performance and range. At the core of the 2024 Lucid Air's appeal is its exceptional performance capabilities. With various configurations available, the Air offers up to 1,200 horsepower in its most powerful trim, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. This blistering speed is complemented by a smooth and quiet ride, characteristic of the best luxury sedans. However, the Lucid Air's performance isn't just about speed, it also excels in range. The Air boasts an industry-leading range of up to 516 miles on a single charge, setting a new standard for electric vehicles and alleviating the range anxiety that often accompanies long-distance travel. Exquisite design and comfort. The 2024 Lucid Air's design is a masterpiece of modern luxury. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is both elegant and functional, reducing drag and enhancing efficiency. The spacious interior is a sanctuary of comfort and style, featuring premium materials such as leather, natural wood, and aluminum. The expansive glass canopy roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. Passengers in both the front and rear seats enjoy ample legroom and ergonomic seating, making long journeys as comfortable as they are effortless. Advanced technology and innovation. The Lucid Air is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both the driving and passenger experience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 34-inch curved glass cockpit 5K display, which seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The Air also features Lucid's Dream Drive Pro, an advanced driver assistance system that offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, all designed to ensure safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Lucid Air's combination of extraordinary range, breathtaking performance, and luxurious design has earned it the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, the Lucid Air sets a new benchmark for what a luxury electric vehicle can be, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined.